Coming up on the channel next, it's a turbo attachment. So let's test this out. This is a turbo pole. Now this is designed for a K2 Karcher. For those who are interested, the Worx Hydroshot turbo nozzle is available from Worx, eBay and Amazon. And it'll cost you, I remember, about 26 quid. Can the Worx Hydroshot and the Karcher work together? So we'll give this a whirl and see what happens. I'm pretty sure this is going to work quite well. Just in case I've never mentioned this, this is an adapter from Amazon. Now I will share the link in the description if you want one of these, but if you haven't got a Karcher, then what's the point? So you connect the Karcher part in like that, very simple and easy. And then in the end of your Hydroshot, like that. And once again, you connect your water, like that. Just prime it up. Wow. So let's see what this does on the floor. This bit here was done with a pressure washer. So let's go for it. Oh, we can even write our names in. So let's see if it'll do weed removal. Oh yeah. It just proves the Worx Hydroshot can also work with the turbo end. Now I might purchase the turbo end for this, or I might not bother. To be honest, I don't really use that as much as I would use anything else. People use them for cleaning wheels, etc. But to be honest, use the right detergent, you don't really need that. But it's good for doing those odd things. Now whilst we're on the subject of this, wouldn't it be nice to see what the K7 version does? These aren't really going to be suitable for this, I don't believe.